Hello YouTube and hello Twitch. Welcome to this new game dev session on my game PlaxelSS. Okay, I just need to remove some sound that I have. Okay. And something else. Okay, I'm ready. So I'm working on this initial setup, which is to have a base to work on, which includes so recently I added a flycam, for example. And I'm working currently on the GitHub workflow to automatically publish a release. So that's something which is currently in progress, and I will continue working on it. The last build I did, so it successfully created a package as an artifact of my workflow. But this was including some profiling. It was a debug version of my game, so I'm currently working on having the release version, which is nearly done. Yeah. So let's see. I have to check if I'm looking at the right folder. This should be good. Okay, so this was something I was not using, but I started using CMake presets. So I have two main presets, the default and the release. Well, default should actually be renamed to debug, I guess. And I have a workflow for publish, which is using the release version and which will create automatically the package at the end. Okay, I will keep it as default, it's okay. No, I just need to commit the last change I did. Oh, yeah, I had to adapt. Oh, yeah, I need to check because in my CMake list I made it so that I only add the coverage if I'm doing a debug release. So I want to check how can I check this? I will recreate the build first. So I have debug and release. And I want to see how I can make sure that I have disabled the coverage. Maybe I can go we'll go into build debug, and if I search for gcurve, okay. Maybe it's something else. We'll search for coverage. And I see. Okay. There is some match in the release build, but it seems to be. Let's see the difference. Hmm. Not sure. Actually, not sure how to check. Okay. In this case, I will do a test. If I copy the, so I need to no, not there. So I'm generating my publish workflow, which will publish the package in the release folder. And I will try to run and I will see if I still get the profiling logs. Even then, I'm not sure I will actually be sure that it's okay. So, problem, I already have a folder. So, I'm still not sure. Maybe, okay, I will make a test. If I remove this condition here, and then I go to build hack, maybe G-code. Okay, I see. I see. What I have here, checking if the build type is debug. Maybe I have to explicitly I will explicitly set the simmake build type to debug. This way, I know that if I want the debug version, I will explicitly set the type to debug. So I will then delete my build folder, and I will try to regenerate again so that I can. Okay, the folder was removed, so I need to go back in the folder. Okay, and now I see I'm only doing the linking with gcov in the debug folder. And if I search for coverage, I will probably have more in the debug folder. I do have a little more, but not that much. Okay. This should be good. Normally. And if I... Well, no, I will test. So I will do a review of my commit. Add coverage to the debug. The debug release. Yeah. Seems weird to say the debug release because the other will be the release, which is weird. Okay. We'll push this and then I will be able to see the result on GitHub. In the meantime, yeah, what I would like is to also have the Windows build. For this, I will be making a lot of tests because since my VM is not on Windows, I have to rely on the GitHub action runs. Yeah, I just want to clean a bit what I have in my stash. I guess I don't need this. I will just delete my stash. It was probably an old one. I don't know if I want to... include this into my repository, because it's about the code formatting which should be set by this Clang format. But okay, what's this? I don't know about this. Okay, I will try to remove this. I will restart my IDE, which is Clion Nova because why not, but mostly because it's the early access preview version, which I don't need a license to run it. Forgot to mention in the beginning, so I'm testing this new overlay below, which is visually nicer than the old one. Yeah, because I'm trying to generate my overlay with the artificial intelligence. It's not easy to have what I would like, but so the one I currently have is nice, but I would have preferred to have the mushrooms on top of me rather than below me. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay, so the package publish is done. Oh, the size is really small. With in comparison to the last one, so this one was 3 megabytes, and this one is 10 times less. So let's see. Yeah, I will remove. Why do I have this problem with Ranger? Ranger is a nice file manager in the console. Why is it root? That's strange. Let's see. I want to know why I have this issue here. Okay, so maybe at some point I was running Ranger as root. But I want to see in my Git files repository if I'm supposed to have a configuration for this. No, so I don't have a configuration for Ranger, so that means I can just delete the directory. Oh, it's probably not an empty. Oh, it is. Okay, it was already an empty directory. That's strange. Okay. And I have the same issue for something else. I don't care about what I had before. So I will remove this, and this, which was from the old package. Then I can just extract this, extract this. Yeah, that's good. So that's this is the current look of my wonderful game. Yeah, was just doing some tests. But at least the package for Linux is good. So now I need to work on the package for Windows. I don't need that anymore. So because I don't want to do a lot of useless commits, I will create a new branch, and maybe I can set up a Git flow. No, no. So the new branch will be Windows publish workflow. Okay. And to gain a bit of time, maybe I will remove this workflow, and maybe I should have a look at Why it's failing? I have a segmentation fault in my test, and that's really difficult to fix for now. Unfortunately, I have to find a solution. Fix segmentation fault in test. Because maybe I will forget once I finish the two tasks here. Next. So, if I want to have this on Windows, I have to remove this to change it to Windows latest. Then I already checked. Oh, why do I have 2 times? Oh, I did not see that. I had 2 times actions checkout here. Yeah, but this is compatible with Windows. This also, maybe not for the latest version, but I will test. But this is not compatible with Windows. So, well, at least I don't think so. And the rest is compatible. So I will try to publish this first. Remove build workflow and remove apt package install from publish. In the end, this commit, so I will have to I won't keep them, so I could have named them something like test, and that was good. Yeah, I'm on my branch. That means I will do pull request because the workflow is set up to run on the master branch and on pull request. So I could have changed the workflow, but I forgot. Windows publish workflow. Normally, I should. Yes, I have my action, which will soon run. I just want to see operating system, Windows Server. Yes, that's great. Now this is a bit unknown because, well, not entirely unknown because I have a working setup for Windows somewhere. But I'm curious to see how I can use Windows on the GitHub CI. Let's see. Yeah. In the meantime, is there something I can do? Fixing the segmentation fault? Hmm. I don't really want to do that. Should I? I will, yeah, I will try something because I have a Docker file where I will be able to replicate the problem I have. The main downside of using this Docker file is there is not a lot of cache support for this. So let's see, I can do docker build-x, which will not work because I need to install this. Okay. Then it will take time to compile all the dependencies. If I was able to find an easy solution to cache this, I would. For now, seems to work well. Okay, apparently it's only the restore from cache, but then yes, when I do the run CMake, it will compile everything. Yeah, right. I don't have a lot to do in the meantime. I will have to wait. It should not take a lot of time. Oh, I forgot something. Normally, I copy some message on Twitch and on YouTube. So, yeah, this message for Twitch and this other one for YouTube. Now I can go back to what I was doing. Okay, so on GitHub for Windows, it's compiling everything that I need. Oh no, well, it's doing the setup for the Vulkan SDK. It's a problem. Oh, okay, because I changed. No. Oh yeah, I know. But yeah, it's due to the change I did. workflow preset default. That should be what I need. And I don't need to do a make after. And no, it's build debug. So at least if there is no maybe the CMake version I'm using is not what's the point? Oh no, it's not with a S like this. Okay, it's not default, it's build. Yeah, I know. To add to Docker in your the build directory. And no. Okay, I'm lucky because it will not rerun the first image, the first cached images. Because for example, if I do a change to this file, it will rerun everything starting from there. It depends. It depends if I do a change at the beginning of my Docker file, it will take a lot of time, but otherwise it will be quick. Okay, and now what I can do is Docker run something like this. If in this case I don't have a segmentation fault. Why? I don't know why. One of the reasons may be because because I'm using the Vulkan version from Debian. We'll have to do some tests, but at least I have a way to make the test run successfully, so I have good up for fixing the task. Oh, and on GitHub it's still compiling. Okay, currently still compiling the Vulkan thingies. I hope it will not time out. I really hope so. Okay, so I will stash my change. I will go to master and I will unstash. That way I can I will try to at least do a commit for my changes here. fix Docker file configuration with make preset change. Maybe due to. Okay. Okay, here I'm using I'm currently starting the publish workflow. No issue so far. Okay, and this will take time because there is 80 packages and some of them will require to be compiled. So yeah, this will take time. In the meantime, I want to look at because I have a Docker file which works for running the test. So maybe I can make use of that. Do I want that? I don't know. I will try to make something work with the Docker file, and I will see if I want to keep that later or not. GitHub workflow from custom Docker file. Mm-hmm. Maybe I can do something like this. This may be better. Maybe I need to publish my Docker image. Let's see, because this is running on Ubuntu and they are doing the they are pushing the Docker image and then container. The problem I see is there should be some kind of dependency between between this workflow and this one. So how does it work? Mm. This is still running. Sorry. Mm. Modifying some my layout for OBS for me. So is it really what I want? Because the problem that I suppose is happening is I'm building the Vulkan SDK here, but maybe because I have the Vulkan drivers with maybe a version mismatch. So it could be the problem. So you have two ways to handle that. Either I try to fix the current build by trying to make the Vulkan version match, or I try to use my Docker file, which I know is working currently. Maybe in the future it will not work the same. Maybe I will first try to change the Vulkan version. Okay. Let's see how I can check the Vulkan, the version of Vulkan. I want to run bash. Okay. Vulkan. Do you have Vulkan info? No. Check Vulkan SDK version, something like this. So maybe I need to go. Where is it? I guess I have the Vulkan SDK, which is somewhere here. No? Ah no, I don't have it here. On the Docker file, I have installed the SDK through this, I guess. I will check if I have the version of Vulkan with this. No, I don't remember if I have. apt check version of install package. this? No. Do have this? Lib Vulkan dev. Okay, so I do see the install version. In this case, can I see if there is a correlation with Mesa Vulkan drivers? No, not really. So I'm still at which package? Okay, I'm nearly done on GitHub. Let's see if they have somewhere. Yeah, I have to do some tests. Maybe I can remove from the build. Maybe I can remove this. And then, if I'm lucky, but yeah, I guess I know what will happen. I will probably I probably won't have the recent enough version of Vulkan. But that's okay. I can maybe find a way to work around that. Okay, so my guess is I need this and this. Okay, let's try with this. I will try locally first. To make the test locally, we have somewhere this cache server, which is useful with this script, which will simulate what GitHub does. And this is not finished yet, but at least it's doing fine. Okay, it's currently doing the build of my application. Okay, so okay, install couldn't find. Well, I'm surprised that I don't have any other issues. Like apparently Vulkan is already installed, which is great. No, it's not Vulkan the problem. Yeah, but yeah. For example, for Linux, I had to install Mesa, some GL library or something like that, which apparently I don't need for Windows, which is good. Good news. So if I only have this problem here, this will be great. Probably the problem comes from this. I need to okay. I need to check what I already tested on Windows. Those I have to use. Maybe I need the zip package to test that. Can I change the branch during this process? We'll check. So let's go back to my Plaxel directory. I will stash what I have. Then I can go my other branch. And there, what I can do is I can go to the same make list here. I can do this, which maybe will work. I have to check that. Maybe it will work. But I don't want this, so I guess by default it will try to use this. But then it means that I have to do this. I will see. I'm very not sure that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have an issue with my space. I guess it's too late already. Okay, I have to stop the process. Now I need to make some space. So let's have a look at NCDU, because normally I should not use the space on my the system here from the JVM. Okay, maybe I would need to have the JVM. Can I? No, okay. Okay, no, this is not a problem. The problem comes from this. Okay. to see if I can make some space easily or not. At least I see that it managed to upload what it did, so it will run faster than. I'm also a bit surprised that it could not use some existing cache. Yeah, so okay, so apparently most of the space is used by overlay. So I guess this is okay. Okay, I see. It comes from the build I have. Oh, but okay. I'm still surprised about something. Because normally in my overlay, I should not have. This should be ignored actually. So there is two possibilities. It may be some old overlay which I forgot to remove when I was not ignoring them. Yeah, that may be the case. Just need to do docker run something like this. All stop containers. Okay. Yeah. Need to wait. In the meantime, I can probably push this change here. And I don't know if tar gz is specific to Linux for CPAC at least. Fix CPAC install. My commits will not be kept. Okay, I have a lot of space now. Okay, I need to go back to master. I need to pop my my stash, and I have to restart what I was doing. I can also check in the meantime the new publish workflow. And because it will be using the cache, it will be faster. Way faster. Normally, locally, it will also use the cache, so it will also be faster. And then locally, it continues from it's continuing from this package. This is about the Vulkan SDK. To have a look at GitHub Windows. I want to see if they have some documentation about what is already installed on. Okay, we can see the included software from there. Because if they already have Vulkan, for example, no. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Because I was wondering since I'm taking the time to compile Vulkan, I did not want to do it if it was not necessary. Okay. And that's the problem I imagine. So let's see. Thank you, Kiliska. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. Kiliskydray. Welcome. Feel free to ask a question if you are. What is happening? I'm currently working on a new game project. So I do have a GitHub project where you can access the source code. It's currently in early development. So what you can currently see is only some kind of base to work on. I have a fly camera. I'm using a compute shader to update my vertex. No, I'm not open for. I don't want to pay for any design or anything. Thank you for proposing. Okay, I just want to make my Windows release work. Thank you. You too. So okay, this is still compiling on for Windows, so I will continue with the Linux build. So what I want to see is if I can install. To see if I can install an updated version of this package. So first I need to check this. Okay, so I don't have any. Oh no. Oh yes, I have. I don't remember how it works. Let's see. Debian stable. I want to see what is the current stable version of Debian. It seems to be Bookworm. Okay, and then I don't have a backport. No, so I don't have a backport this library. That's why in my Docker file I'm using testing Debian testing. Let's see, GitHub views Debian testing. Just need to stop my heater. I'm coming back. Hmm. So let's see again on Windows. So I guess, okay, it's currently compiling my project, so it means it's nearly finished. In this case, I will just wait and see. It failed, so maybe this is because of the TGZ. So what is the problem? Will exist. Will install. Let's have a comparison to when it was working on Linux. So this one is from Linux, and I want to see at the end. Okay. No, not this one. This is okay, but then make install cmake. Cannot find. It's weird. Say cannot find file exist. This is weird. I will check something on my Windows environment that you won't be able to see. No, I don't know. Well. Oh no, I don't know. Let's have a look at my CMake list. Runtime destination. I'm comparing what I had on my Windows environment. Runtime destination bin. Well, okay. Maybe I can search for something like this. So we saw this. Okay, so let's have a look again. Well, again, let's have a look at how to do a proper packaging with a CPAC on Windows. So I already have something like this. Windows. On Windows, we have zip, okay, but we don't have tar.gz. Source zip, what is source zip? Ah, well, yes, okay, I don't want the source. Yeah, I'm just looking at this example to see if I can find a solution to my problem. What would be great would be to have, maybe I can do this. I would like to be able to run a Windows container from Docker, which I cannot do on Linux, but I currently have Windows with a Linux VM. So maybe I can do something with this. I'm pretty sure I can do something. I will try something. It may take time, but it will be interesting if I manage to do that. The only problem I see... No. I will try to install Docker desktop on Windows. Let's see, I want to have a look. No. So I'm currently on Arch Linux. And there is somewhere I can change the daemon socket to connect to another server. Remote, okay. Yeah, I want to do actually the reverse. Maybe it's exactly that this that I want to do. Because this way it will be easier to do some tests if I can have some Windows container. So do I take the time to do this, or I try to work with GitHub? Because the problem is if I click there, see, but I don't have this file. Build release. This file does not exist. What I would like to do is to modify. So okay, let's go back to the Windows publish workflow branch. If I go back there, what I would like to change is this. But with what? Hmm. don't know what I want to test exactly. This is a weird thing. So I managed to build my files. Why debug release? Why do I see debug here? So this is a bit weird. And maybe that's the problem. Okay. Let's see. This is about VCPKG debug release. I don't know what I can do. Okay, so apparently I did not know about that. Okay. So I will try to do something like this. If it works like I think it does, I just have to do something like this. Maybe there is something I don't know. Cache variables. Maybe I also need to specify them below. So I will have a look at this for workflow CMake. CMake workflow preset example with release. I don't know if they will show an example. Okay. So let's see. So this is a configure preset. Okay. And then with build preset. So no, I don't have to specify that it will be a release. So I will try to only add this and I will see what if it's better or not. Fix VCPKG release. Just think something like this. If I go back to the GitHub action, I will follow the resulting job, but it will take time. Okay, so let's hope this will work. Maybe I can still make some research about the problem I had. So I'm having a look at what I may be missing. Here they are explicitly setting the build type to debug, but I want to do the build type to release. I would like to see, maybe this would be nice. the list of build presets. Okay. It's opening this one here. Where is... Okay, here. So I want to see if they have a release somewhere. Yes, they have. And in release, they only specify the CMake build type. Okay, and maybe I can see something interesting from... They don't have an install instruction, which I need. At least I see the name release. So I see release everywhere. I don't know if it is different than before. Okay, it's about the Vulkan SDK. So actually, it's not helping me a lot. I'm surprised that I'm not using the cache for this. See later. For now, I'm surprised that it was not working for me. Just want to see. It really install all the package, all the dependencies. In the meantime, what I was trying to do is not working. Let's have a look at something else. I want to see if I can compile the Vulkan driver that I need. GitHub Marketplace, that's what I want. If I have a look at Mesa, on Windows, no. If I have a look at Vulkan, currently I'm using this. Setup Vulkan SDK. But the problem that I have is maybe I know what to do. Yeah, I know. I'm not sure, but I have an idea. The last stable version is Bookworm, which is using this. Ah, yeah, no, I cannot. I cannot use this version of Vulkan because I'm depending on some things which are not defined, which are not available in this version of Vulkan. So I cannot do this. So I guess I really have to make use of my Docker file. If I want to do this, I need to use GitHub registry. GitHub. Okay, so it's GH container registry. That was this. They have this. Yeah, depressing. I guess it may be. Okay. Well, the goal will be to use the free version. The main problem I have if I'm using my Docker file. Where is it? Yes, with my Docker file, I will not be able to. First, I want to check. Okay, it's finished. I just want to deal with that first. Okay, so I still have this issue. Which is weird. Oh, this time, no. Okay. Yeah, I still have this problem here. Probably it cannot find the file. Yeah, my file because it's generating inside. The debug. Exactly. That's really weird. Okay, I can try something, which is that on my CMake presets, I have to see if cache variables can be used for build presets. Cache variable, so this can be defined only, okay, only in configure preset. I don't know because I'm already setting this variable to release. The only thing is I'm doing it through the presets of CMake. Maybe I can search for this if I add presets. I really don't think it's related to my problem. Okay, so let's have a look at again at VCPKG triplet. Maybe they have another documentation for this. To have a look at the existing triplets. Concepts, maybe. No, the triplet does not reference the release or debug apparently. Maybe in order to make something useful, I will set up Docker on my Windows host and I will try to connect to it from my VM. At least it will be fun. You cannot see what I do on my Windows VM. I'm downloading. In the meantime, I will have a look at the doc for Docker. See, normally my host is at this IP address. Can I see it here? No, I cannot see it from here, but yeah, this should be the host. Then I will start the installer of on my Windows environment. Or maybe I will have to restart Windows. I hope I don't have to. If I have to restart, maybe I can. I will just have to stop the stream for a bit. If I oh, I see. Yeah. So I have to update this file. Let's see, I will go there. Then, so this file does not exist. Is this normal or not? I see. Yeah, I have to create this file. I just want to check status Docker. Currently, the existing file is this one. They are using these flags. Normally, you don't want to update directly the file which is installed by the Docker package. You want to add a new file. Like this. And I don't know why they have 2 times this line here. I guess you only need one file. Oh yeah, I need to restart Windows. Do I want to do this? I guess I have. I guess I am. Mm. Yeah, then I will restart. Then I will go on a break. Okay. Leave a message. I'm restarting the live in 5 minutes. Then I will go. Restart a small break due to the installation. Then see you soon. We'll just close some other windows. Okay, what else do I need to remove? Okay, see you soon. Yes. Hello. Okay. The microphone is back. So I'm back, but I will go on a break. I will try to at least to reload my virtual machine. Okay, so we cannot load my VM. Maybe because the snapshot I did is not working. So maybe I need to remove my snapshot. There is some issue. The virtual machine is very slow. And I guess it's because I messed up with. Hmm. Let's see, but I guess it will be really slow, so I will have to. restart. Yeah, no, it's too slow. It's too slow because when I installed Docker, it changed some settings. I cannot use this. Maybe I can. Mm, so slow. Virtual box. No. I cannot use that. Well, I'm sorry. I will need to do some search on my Windows host. Slow after Docker install. Yeah, I see. It's because Hyper-V is active, but apparently I already activated something which says that Docker will not use Hyper-V. So I just need to disable Hyper-V. I have to remember how to disable Hyper-V Windows 11. Windows features. Then I will have to check for Hyper-V. It's already disabled. That's weird. I'm trying something. For a different thing because it looks like it's already disabled. Okay. Okay, I will see. I need to stop my VM. Shut down. Then I need to restart Windows and I will see if it's better. Okay, then see you soon. Again. So normally now it should be working. It's working, it's better. So I'm not sure what was the fix, but it's okay. So I will do my break now. So I will be back in something like 8 minutes. Maybe let's say 10 minutes because I may need to get back some of some of the windows I had before the restart. So see you in. Oh, I have to set up the timer first. Timer. I need to load it. So I will be back at. Okay. See you after the break. Bye. And I'm back. So we'll continue with the Docker installation. I need to restart my IDE also. Maybe. Okay. Last time it was not starting well. So what I want to do, I want to set up remote Docker API access. Because now I do have Docker. Okay. I guess I will have some issues about having both VirtualBox running well and Docker desktop running well. Because now when I try to run Docker desktop, it's not running well. So if I have a look at my previous query, which I did on Windows before, my problem was this. So I did disable Hyper-V. So that's what I saw on before. Which one it was? This one. Yeah, but this is about disabling Hyper-V, but the problem I want to have maybe okay, I will try something else. Maybe I need to run Docker desktop with admin rights. No. No. Let's see. Can I have this Windows and VirtualBox? Because if I need to reinstall this I did. Yeah. Okay. So probably when installing this, it did enable. Yeah, it's turning on these features. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's what happened for me. I don't want to do that. And neither that. Okay, I need to look at what they say. Do I have this symbol here? Apparently, yes. Yes, I have. I guess I have no choice. If I want to do what I want, I need to do this. And maybe I will have... I guess I will have to restart again. Mm, okay, I'm currently using this command, but I forgot to elevate the PowerShell, so I guess it will fail. Okay, I will restart. So I have to launch my PowerShell with admin rights, like this. The problem is that I aborted. I aborted my installation, and I guess it caused a problem. Maybe I just need this one. Okay. Maybe I still need to enable some optional features. So they are talking about virtual machine platform. So I have it. and Windows subsystem for Linux. So I already have them. Yeah, but how do I uninstall this? Okay, let's see, I will try something. So, no, not that. If I type uninstall, okay, that's what I want. I will search for Ubuntu. I will disinstall this, and I hope it will not say please restart your computer. I'm waiting on the uninstallation. Okay, seems to be done. Then I will try to install again. That's harder than what I hoped. The thing is, I want to use Docker. Yes, I want to use Docker not for Linux system, but I want to use it for Windows container. Normally, I don't even need this WSL thingies. I'm trying to start again Docker. Maybe I will manage something. Maybe. Okay. Well, I guess I will just abandon this idea. Mm. Or maybe I should do it. Yep. I guess I will just do this on my own. I will work on this on my own because I don't want to restart the live every time. And next Monday, hopefully, I will have everything working correctly. So yeah, I will stop the live now. And on next Monday, I will be able to show much more interesting development about this project. I really want to finish this task, which requires that I have this release for both Windows and Linux. So I already have the working non-debug release for Linux, but I don't have it for Windows. Yeah. And yeah, I will try also to fix that. I have some idea which require to use the GitHub container registry. I will work on that for next week, for Monday. And on Thursday, I will be working on my web project. So see you next time. Bye.